Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see exercise 9.2 of class 6th. Exercise 9.2 is completely based on the topic drawing a pictograph. Okay, in the previous video we seen the solution of exercise 9.1, which is completely related to topic study of pictograph. But in this video we will see the drawing of pictograph. Its first question is total number of animals in 5 villages are as follows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 villages, and in front of them we have number of animals. We have to prepare a pictograph of these animals. What we need to prepare? We need to prepare pictograph of these animals using one symbol, this symbol. Using one symbol to represent 10 animals and answer the following question. Here this symbol is denoting total 10 animals. Okay, total 10 animals. It means that here we have village, and in front of village we will draw the number of symbols. You can simply see in the table we have firstly village A. So in village A we have 80 animals, and we need to show these 80 animals in pictograph, where this symbol is denoting by 10 animals. In village A we have 80, so 80 is simply dividing by 10 and gives us 8. It means that for showing the village A's animals, we need to draw this kind of symbol total 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here is 8. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. As village B is having 120 animals, so here when we divide 120 by 10 animals, it will give us 12. It means for denoting the village B's animal, 120 animals, we will draw 12 symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now village C. In village C we have 90 animals, and this 90 animals is denoting by a symbol which means as 10 animals. It means that when we divide 90 by 10, it will give us 9. So for representing the animals of village C, we have to draw 9 symbol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and lastly we have 9. Same as it is we will do for the village D as well as for village E as here. Village D we have 1, 2, 3, 4 symbols which is representing 40 animals, and in village E we have 6 symbols which is representing 60 animals. Now we have to answer these 3 questions, which first one is how many symbols represent animals of village E. For representing the animals of village E, how many symbols we are using? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its answer is 6 symbols. Okay, 6 symbols we are using to represent animals of village E. Now B. Which village has the maximum numbers of animal? It means where the maximum number of symbol in that village the maximum number of animals is there. You can simply see in village B we have drawn 12 symbols, which is the largest number of symbol. It means that in village B the maximum numbers of animals there. So its answer is village B. And the last one, which village has more animals, village A or village C? It means we need to only identify in which village, village A or which village, village C. Out of these two, in which the more animals is there. So in village A we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 symbols, and in village C we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 symbols. It means village C has more animals than village A. So here we completed the solution of first question. Now we have second question, which is total number of students of a school in different years is shown in the following table. We have different year, and in this different year we have total number of students in school. Its first question is prepare a pictograph of student using one symbol, this kind of symbol, to represent 100 students and answer the following questions. It means this symbol is representing for 100 students. So here we have year, here we have number of student. Okay, so in 1996 we have 400 student. 400 student. When we divide this 400 by 100, so we will get only 4. It means that for representing this 400 student, we need to draw only 4 symbols. Only 4 symbols. 1, 2, 3, and this one is the last. So 100, 200, 300, 400. In 1998, we have 535 student. 535 student. You can simply see 500 is make up by 535. 535. So for representing this 500 student, we will simply draw 5 this kind of figure, 5 this kind of symbol, and for representing this 35 we will draw this kind of figure incomplete. It means 5 complete figure and 1 which is the last one is the incomplete. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 500, and for the last one we will draw the incomplete. Okay, you can simply see the last figure is incomplete. Okay, now in year 2000 we have 472. Same as previous, here we have 400 which is complete and 72 which is incomplete. So for denoting 400 complete, we will draw 4 figure, 4 symbols completely as here, and last one will be incomplete. Okay, only half portion we will draw for the representing 72. Now 2002, in 2002 total number of students are 600. So for representing this 600, from this symbol we will draw only 6 symbol, because directly here we don't have any incomplete figure. So total 6 figure we will draw as here. Okay, now in 2004 we have 623. It means 600 plus 23. So for the 600 we will draw complete figure as a 6, and for representing 23 we will draw one incomplete figure. Okay, one incomplete figure. So here is 6 complete and one last one is a incomplete. Now we have to answer the questions. Whose first one? How many symbols represent total number of students in the year 2002? In 2002, how many symbols we are using? We are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first one answer is 6 symbols. Okay. And B number question is, how many symbols represent total number of students for the year 1998? For the year 1998, how many symbols we are using? We are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete symbol and 1 half. Okay. So its answer will be 5 complete symbol and 1 will be half and 1 half symbol. So here we completed our exercise 9.2.